Be yourself. A flower may bloom overnight, but the foundation below the soil took time to settle in. Be patient. This is a powerful quote that reminds us, patience and consistent effort are key if you want to succeed in life. We all have different definitions of success. But no matter what your version looks like, it always demands hard work and dedication. Many people give up too soon when they don't see quick results. True breakthrough happens to those who have the patience to keep growing. Stay committed to building good habits, and to keep moving forward even when progress feels slow. Stay patient, keep putting in the work. Your breakthrough could be closer than you think. Follow for more motivational quotes and tips for success.